Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ANC mode on your headphones SOUNDCORE Space One. You have to start by open the application, and now we should click on the noise cancellation to choose this mode, and then click on the mode line. And right here we have a few options. So you can choose adaptive noise cancelling and it will be change this sound reduction, or you can go to custom one and choose it by yourself. If you want to reduce more sounds, just go move it to the right to increase this level, and if you don't want it, just move to the left. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.